So I requisition you your own printer. You don't have to share anymore. I take you off the network.
Okay.
Because I guess the first thing complaints about people printing out their sales reports and finding some really graphic crime scene photos from the computer. I noticed you put in a transfer order for the laser glass.
Yeah.
That warrants a note there. Really just waiting for an explanation for the corpse.
I know things have been strange at times. And you know I'm dealing with some dark stuff, some parental stuff with Tuna. I'll never expect you to understand that part of my life. Just bear with me a day or two more. Things will get back to normal. I promise.
Oh, you can get transfer orders for third-party repair houses.
Oh, the buyer wants to get up under before ships. But we both know.
Pressure, but the drill itself does not work anymore, as you can see. This is after one use. The same issue occurred with the previous drill that I purchased, that this one replaced because this one stopped working. I highly suggest that you do not purchase this product. It is defective.